Semeni tu ukweli. Just be honest. Msidanganye. Because if you hated Ruto because of corruption, then how come you are supporting a corrupt opposition who were corrupt when they were in government, and you are even ready kukua funded na pesa ya former president who acquired it through corruption? How come? If indeed your issue with William Ruto is corruption. So please don't lie. Msikue na uongo. Me, I'm clear why I'm opposing Ruto. Very clear in my mind. But the rest of you, inaonekana ni kama ni ukabila. Most of you ni ukabila tu. Ni munataka mwizi wenu wa kabila yenu ndiye akue pale. Not that you want to change Kenya. Because if you wanted to change Kenya, you'll be supporting leaders of integrity who can transform Kenya. Lakini the fact that you are supporting corrupt people to replace a corrupt person, hapo inaonekana issue yenu si corruption. And your issue is not the public debt ama deni ya Kenya. Kwa sababu Ruto has messed up deni ya Kenya. But Uhuru also messed it up. Kuanzia 2013 mpaka 2022 alitoa 1.89 trillion to 9 trillion. Hiyo hamtaki kusema, na hata mko ready kuchukua pesa yake ya campaign ati mfanye campaign mtoe Ruto, replace a problem with a problem. Hapo ni kudanganyana, tunadanganya. Just be honest. Just say this is tribalism. It has nothing to do with changing Kenya. Just be honest about it. Msidanganye.